Myself, Lieutenant P. Suresh Naidu, ANO, Government Polytechnic, Ballari, 1B, 34 Karnataka. Today, we'll come to know about incentives to NCC cadets. Okay, today we'll come to know about incentives to NCC cadets. First of all, what are the things we are going to cover or come to know? First, we'll come to know about introduction, incentives by central government, financial assistance and scholarships, incentives by state government, admission in educational institutions, and conclusion. Apart from training and preparing the youth for future challenges in NCC, cadets are given various benefits in terms of jobs, opportunities, scholarship, and financial aid in time of any tragedy while doing any NCC related activities. These activities are announced these incentives are announced from time to time both by central and state government. The incentives are in the field of employment as well as academic and personal, including medals, trophies, cash, awards, etc. Among them, the best incentive being the vacancy reserved for C certificate holders cadets for the commission of officer in the armed forces. This incentives is most beneficial to the cadets who want to join as an army officers. Now let us come to know about incentives by the central government. For C certificate holders, specific vacancy in the Army, Air Force and Navy are allotted for C certificate holders. For officers, there is no UPSC written exam after application. The cadets is called directly for SSB interview, which he or she has to clear before final selection. As per the merit list, the following vacancies are reserved by each service as officer. Army 100 seats per year at OTA, Officer Training Academy for men and 10% for women. Navy 6 seats per course. Air Force 10% vacancy in all courses. 5 to 10% bonus marks for recruitment in the rank of Army, Navy and Air Force. Bonus mark for employment in CA, PF and paramilitary forces and Department of Telecommunication. They even can apply for gazette post in CRPF if the cadet is graduate. Preference in state government and preference in state service and also in private sectors. Employment with NCC as whole-time lady officer, girl cadet instructor, and in Air Force Academy 5% seats are reserved for girl cadets holding NCC C certificate. At OTA Chennai, seats are reserved for girl cadets holding C certificate. Seats are notified every year. Financial assistance and scholarship given by central government. Financial aid and relief to cadets is provided by Cadet Welfare Society to the cadets in case of any injury or to the NOQ in case of any faculty during NCC related activities. Details of the financial assistance are, you can see here there is a tabular column. Now NCC activity with high risk, death case 5 lakhs, permanent disability 5 lakhs, temporary disability up to 1,75,000. Other activities are 4,50,000 and permanent disability you have 4,50,000, temporary disability up to here 1,75,000. The benefits provided by the CWS Cadet Welfare Society are: CWS awards scholarship up to 6,000 rupees per cadet for 1,000 NCC cadets every year. Grant of Best Cadet Award of rupees 4,500 and Second Best Cadet Award 3,500 at each group level. Conduct of sports and adventure activities. Incentives by the state government. Preference is given by various state governments to B and C certificate holders for recruitment in the following departments: Police Service, Transport Department, Forest Department, Excise Department. Preference to girl cadets as nurse and telephone operators. Now we'll see the state-wise incentives provided by various state government. Here you have a tabular column which is as follows, and the different state government providing different incentives, which is self-explanatory. You can see here Jammu Kashmir, and next we have Karnataka, which I'll be explaining in detail, and next we have Kerala Lakshadweep, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, what are the incentives they are giving, Manipur, Meghalaya, Northeast, Nagaland, Odisha, Pondicherry, Punjab, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Tripura, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, West Bengal. Okay, now we'll learn or come to know what are the incentives given in Karnataka in detail. The incentives by state government are, that too, as we live in Karnataka, as cadets should come to know about the incentives given by Karnataka government. Karnataka government reserves seat for NCC cadets in professional course in medical, engineering and technical courses. Apart from that, they have a cash awards of rupees 10,000 to medal winners. Apart from academic field, they also provide cash awards of rupees 10,000 to medal winners in RDC and 5,000 to participate in RDC. This is as per 2nd December 2014. Admission in educational institution. Many educational institutions have allotted special quota to certificate holders from NCC. Preference is given in the following field: degree and diploma course, LLB course, government polytechnic and engineering colleges, medical courses. The incentives keep changing from time to time. Hence, the cadet must keep themselves aware of the incentives published in various central and state government orders. You have to note that these incentives go on changing. Now, let me come to the conclusion. The youth of independent India are indeed fortunate to have such an organization existing in the country which spends vast amount of financial and physical resources to their personal development and thus is indeed a nursery ground for grooming of further leaders in various walks of life. The NCC offers relaxation in the selection standard for employment in various armed forces, paramilitary forces as well as state government jobs, provides opportunity to work for NCC either in the form of girl cadet instructor or whole time lady officer. Now let me come to the summary. First, specific vacancy in Army, Air Force and Navy are allotted for C certificate holders. The following vacancies are reserved by each service as officers. Army 100 seats per year at OTA for men and 10% for women. Navy 6 seats per course. Air Force 10% vacancy in all courses. Financial aid and relief to cadet is provided by Cadet Welfare Society to the cadets in case of any injury or any fatality during NCC related activities. Preference is given by various state governments to the B and C certificate holders in various departments: police service, transport service, forest service, excise department. Preference to girl cadet as nurse and telephone operators. Many educational institutes have allotted special quota to the certificate holders from NCC. Preference is given in the following fields: degree and diploma course, LLB course, government polytechnics and engineering course, and medical course. Thank you. If you have any doubts, you can call me or message me, which will be cleared.